In this quick video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Binance to bank account step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in. Once you have logged in, go to your wallet and click Fiat and Spot. And then click withdraw. And then select your currency. So for example, you want to use USD. And here are the payment options. So the only available payment options here is the P2P trading. If you want to use Australian dollar, you can choose bank transfer, but since this transaction method is unavailable for me, since I'm not living in Australia, I will not be able to show you how to withdraw money from Binance to bank account. But for example, you want to use USD, click here. So just click P2P trading, and then you can just convert your USD to BUSD and then sell your BUSD in P2P trading. And then choose your payment options, and you can choose your bank account here. So we have here the Bank of Georgia and many bank accounts that is available in Binance. And then once you have selected your payment option, select your merchant here. So for example, let's choose this one, click sell BUSD, and then type down the amount of BUSD you want to sell. For example, 150 UBUSD, and then I will receive this amount of USD. And then set your payment method. For example, you want to set it to Bank of Georgia. Click here, and then just type down your full name, your account number, your payment details if you hadn't added your bank account in Binance yet. Then just click confirm here, and then just wait for the buyer to buy your BUSD and release the payment. And then if you have any questions about how to withdraw money from Binance to bank account, leave a comment below.